Today I want to show you how you can assign different materials to different objects in TyFlow. Alright, here we have three objects with three different materials are applied to them. Let's create a TyFlow and then go to the editor and use a simple physics flow. I need to add these three objects to my TyFlow, so go to the shape and then change the mesh type to reference node and pick this box, for example, to start. And you can see the scale is so much big, you need to change it to something like 40 or maybe 30. Okay, now we need to add the rest of objects, so I will click on duplicate and grab the rest, sphere and the cone. Okay, here you can see we have all three objects here, but the material is not applied. And here we have three different types of materials, which you can see here. Let me close them. Alright, in order to assign these three materials to the TyFlow, you need to add a multi-sub object, and then first set the number to 3, for example, for here, and assign the material and assign the sub object to TyFlow. Alright, if I open up the interactive renderer, you can see different materials are applied to the TyFlow, but we have some kind of weird results here. So in order to fix this problem, you need to add material ID. So click on shape, hit tab and type material. Put it here. Okay, let's open up the interactive renderer and see. Alright, you need to change the type of material ID from here, which is now set to static, and it will only apply the first material in the sub-object mode. If I change it to 2, you can see we can cycle through these materials, and if I change it to 4, it will again start from the beginning. So you can also change it to random, so random material would be applied to the object, but it doesn't follow the order here. So in order to fix this, you need to change it to keep existing. But again, you can see the problem occurs here. So in order to fix this, let me close this up and close this one as well. You need to convert this to edit poly. You can see different material IDs are applied to the object, so you need to change all of them to one number. For example, 1 here for the box. So grab all and set the ID to 1, and you can see the problem is solved. You should do the same for the cone. Since the sphere has just one material ID and it's set to 2, you don't need to change anything. Okay, let's change the cone material IDs to 3, and there we have it. You can easily apply different materials to your objects, and just remember to set the ID correctly for the base object. Thank you for watching this video. Please support the channel by your likes, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell button so he'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I will see you in the next one.